There, yeah, we're gonna check in at the party right now.
That's our best.
Gonna baby, fling the key to your heart game like your bully beef. Fool of fuck. We have champions dream. Send a domestic run, come give me that. Ladies are going to do a ultrasound and a pap smear powder down at the same time. Eh? Mama? I'm going. Which my champion dream key? Okay, you can't get none of them. The girl will in the forest and me. I want to take that. I want it now. Yeah, here one me now. You have to know to interact with the people them and be them friend because it's them turning star. Some of them now appreciate the people them cast. You understand what I mean? All when me have whole heap of money and my name I call see me a one Bishop Escobar. For you me put up your hand. Me now no change, send me grow, send me grow. You don't know, send me grow, send me grow. Hold on, let me the sampler. All of the girls in there with your good friend. Hug her up and look on her and say, love you, bitch. If you appreciate her, say, girl, I love you. All of the girls in there say, yeah, your friend on the crosses, so listen to my friend in here right now. The girl in there say, God love you, your friend. Hug up your friend and walk off on the spot where you stand up. Some girl don't like you, your friend, but I who never like them friend. The girl me not beg no girl no do walk up and down in that door. Well, I come here, me couldn't make no money. What the God bless girl them there? Well, I don't clear sons. What you know? Family, so you are God the king, so you are. So you only want to miss the chance that can you then? When some dirty girl chat you, when you see them walk out, take your mind off of me. Nobody watch me. Nobody watch his style and all of the girls when I'm my money friend, walk out with your true friend. If your real friend there, walk out with your real friend. Hold up your friend and in the ear. Live in the ghetto, it's not easy. Walk up and down now. When you have money, to give it.
I won't take it back, cause I did the shit, I was a hot.
Let me remember future, you know. January the 2nd on the board. You see the orange girl, they love for you.
You're such a fucking hoe, I love it. You're such a fucking hoe, I love it. You're such a fucking hoe, I love it.
I do not beg no friends. Go and feel up, every girl titty. Container Oxford Brunch by Compare. Speak and tell them DJ Square. Julia! Big up left side, Conley. Bad company, their side. Big up the man, they know the girl, you know. You carry out a girl, but I couldn't need you. Alright, they know at 26, 20 Alban Road. You don't know the road code. Big up FOB. I gotta say she will like me. But my girl, this I wanna drink PP. You don't know January the 25th. Me just get like, me just walk a street. American colors, bangers promotion, December 21. Keep them coming. Why?
One, me not no more flyer. What is this? Me don't read them already. She juggling steady. And anybody who knows says them not ready. I got it. Think only. Pick up the man them me know say you're not funny. Pick up the girl them you own and money. The man them me know say you wanna lose. Listen to people see I know my style. Hooking it bad up, you reach up like. Can you see how people see you live up that? Not knowing as to blow. Look at you see me and talking about. Level. Every man will never suck no girl. We have something over your head, sir. We are knowing as to blow. Come here, growing up. Me the pussy me a fi rammy. Feel me jacking a pussy and make she bad for your mommy. So man a run. Me for the country so heavy can go and the grandma say them office all of me. So we a fuck them girl. Well we a fuck them girl. Them can't keep them girl. I beat on the pressure and leave them girl. So we a fuck them girl. Well we a fuck them girl. Them can't keep them girl. I beat on the push and then leave them girl. You gotta make own whole heap of things for yourself. Put that girl. What is the squad when that song up here right now? Every independent girl, you already know.
No man can't send me ever beg him, I know my style that.
Who is this now? December 20.
Hear me at me when I'm money, when you got that.
Good girl sing couple song, but she run with one. I need you to introduce that song, yeah, please, Danny Boo.
Yeah, that song your name Nestle. Yes, Flabba. That song your name Nestle, and that song for the good girl them. That song and the song them, where the girl them from muggle up, and you see them soft person, soft and all of the man them feel clean. That song your name Nestle, all of the girl them feel sweet. Yeah, run it, Flabba.
Atani Boo. Hot girl on the runway. Eat that girl with a runway. Me a girl man I get take way. Them a smell sweet like Nestle. Sweet like Nestle. Them a smell sweet like Nestle. Me a girl man I get take way. Man a smell sweet like Nestle. Fresh body say like a new fat. Sweet like Wrigley's. True that. Champion bubbler. True that. Hot and a shot like a few girls. What they say is what they get. Yes I hear this. Man a smell sweet like diabetes. One beat for me jump like diabetes. You're my greatest. You can figure the trend. Something in I don't know. Feel look at me. Forget like I made no more. Jiggle it little bit. I'm about to become a tour. Atani Boo. Hot girl on the runway. Eating diabetes.
Me say a girl team, Chris Gale, Bentley Key, Jesus Christ, my girl, I can enjoy it. Family. Are you ready? Lean forward. Lean forward. Just lean forward. Lean over more. Hold on the foot wider than that. Lean over more. Look through the leg now. You know why them two girls that do this? Don't get up enough. But you know why them two girls that do this right now?
She loves fun back here. Can't you the shadow be
Massachin, big up yourself. When people are chat bad boy, you don't make it discourage you. Make it encourage you. You must do better in our life. When you go up on a platform like social media, and you see people put you up on people, daydream and them something there, you have to say to yourself, I wonder if I'm mad them people that want mad me. That dirty boy you from Rockford now make them mad me. You see when them a chat bad things about me know say it not true. Hear them no, him no hot, him not go nowhere. Anytime me I left the country, me just sit them on the plane seat and go some group and take a picture and post it and show the junk of them say me.
Nobody don't chat to me. You don't see us a pussy trying to
everybody who knows a bad man can't stop you. Wave your hands up.
wave the hands up. Me here I say, I don't know what think I'm smoking out there. Them no even know the road we want to. What we let them continue to say. Got to have fun we don't play. So we have to hustle in a official way.
I don't know say next week Sunday all roads lead to up your road. More than two hot girls come right to come here have 2 past 4, you see it. People, are you ready? People,
can't lie. Big up everybody with turn out. I love it. I'm there from the first container hotspot brunch. Firelings. Container boss, big up yourself, Ian. Everybody will reach out and there. Big up Uno. Firelings.